Hello guys, welcome to iMobie YouTube channel. In the digital world, deletion seems to be so easy, but recovery is like finding a needle in a haystack. What if you accidentally delete the messages in WhatsApp? Don't worry, I will tell you how to easily recover WhatsApp messages. Firstly, make sure your WhatsApp backup is set to back up automatically. You can find the backup option in WhatsApp settings. Firstly, open WhatsApp, and if this is the first time you've installed the app or you've uninstalled and reinstalled the app will prompt you to restore a backup after logging into the same account. If there is no prompt, go to WhatsApp settings, then chats, then chat backup and select a backup to restore. If you use WhatsApp on multiple devices, try to check on another device to see if the message is still there. Make sure you are logged into the same WhatsApp account on all devices. In WhatsApp, make sure your chat sync setting is turned on. This is usually set in settings, then accounts, then data usage. Open WhatsApp on another device and go to the chat you want to check. Try pulling down to refresh the chat interface to see if any new chats are synced. If you don't have your chat history backed up on Google Drive, then WhatsApp will automatically pull the same from your local backup file. For this, connect your phone with a USB cable to your PC, then just navigate to Android, then Media, then WhatsApp, then choose Databases, and here you all get all the backup files named as MigStore. Copy these backup files and then paste into your new device at same path. Now reinstall WhatsApp and log in using your registered phone number. Then you choose Restore option to recover all your deleted or missing chats from the local backup. Some professional data recovery services may offer more advanced recovery options, but this is usually costly and will delay your ability to use your device. Also, make sure the service provider has a strict data protection policy to protect your personal information from being leaked. What to do when you want to recover a mistakenly deleted, or a year-old, even a 4-year-old WhatsApp text message. For Android users, you can use data recovery software tools like DroidKit, WhatsApp Recovery. It can scan Android internal storage and recover deleted WhatsApp chat history. Besides, as a complete Android solution, DroidKit enables you to recover WhatsApp chats from broken Android. Firstly, download DroidKit from description link and then connect your Android device using USB. Then open DroidKit and choose Data Recovery, and then WhatsApp Recovery, then hit Start, then follow the steps shown here. After that, you can choose the files you want to recover, select all the files, then hit the PC option to save these files in your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.